Today we want to show you 10 surprising things melatonin can do for you and you might have never heard of it. Let's dive right into it. For most of it we use papers published by the NIH. Melatonin is present in every cell of your body. It sits right next to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cell. Human cells have it. Animal cells have it, and even plants have it. In plants, melatonin is being activated when there is a severe danger, like heat or drought. It seems like melatonin is the protector of all life. Blood pressure. According to the NIH National Institutes of Health, melatonin can downregulate and normalize your blood pressure. As the image of this NIH document shows, melatonin will also help you with lipid profiles, and it plays also a vital role when it comes to protect you against heart failure. Protection against heart attack. When given during the early stages of myocardial infarction, melatonin could prevent the progression of heart failure. In fact, it turns out that patients admitted to the hospital with congestive heart failure showed decreased levels of melatonin. In a recent meta-analysis of 8 randomized trials, there was a significant association between melatonin supplementation and the reduction in total cholesterol levels as well as triglyceride levels, as the same NIH document reveals. Cancer. According to the NIH National Institutes of Health, melatonin has a very positive effect on basically all cancers. A promising agent for the prevention and treatment of cancers, it says there in the conclusion. The NIH has tested quite a number of different cancers with melatonin. The results are all over similar and positive. You will find the entire NIH cancer page in the description below. Strongest antioxidant. Glutathione is considered as being the master antioxidant, because it activates all other antioxidants. There are quite a number of health experts who consider melatonin even as being stronger as glutathione. In fact, the NIH has published that melatonin even activates glutathione as well as other antioxidants. It reads there, melatonin also activates several antioxidative enzymes including glutathione peroxidase. Weight loss. According to Dr. Edinger, everyone loses weight when taking melatonin, regardless of your metabolic state. This is because of 2 reasons. The upregulation of cells. More energy consumption results in burning fat even while you sleep. Melatonin has a very positive effect on your insulin, it reduces your insulin naturally. Cognitive functions and Alzheimer's disease. Melatonin increases your capabilities to think and to remember. It has a tremendous effect on your brain, in fact on your entire nervous system. With Alzheimer's disease becoming a worldwide epidemic and one of the most dreadful diseases of the 21st century, this is important to know. Melatonin might just be the answer. Activation of the pineal gland. While melatonin is predominantly being produced in the pineal gland and helps us to fall asleep, the amount being produced in the pineal gland is nothing compared to the amount being produced by our cells. Overall production of melatonin decreases with age significantly. This is why some experts see here the real reason for accelerated aging and the onset of most age-related diseases. The protector of all life is missing and gone. Adding melatonin from an outside source does not make you addicted. It activates your pineal gland. Most pineal glands nowadays are calcified and non-active. An active pineal gland has the power to regulate all hormones and glands in your body. Are we not being told that all hormones decline as we get older, a lack of melatonin might just be the reason behind it. Highly anti-inflammatory. As the NIH also states, melatonin is highly anti-inflammatory. The meaning of inflammation regarding your health has just become a new dimension. With COVID, suddenly words like lung inflammation, cytokine storm, heart wall inflammation are all over the place. Inflammation is the root cause of so many diseases and ailments. Prevention of cataracts. Melatonin in the fluid within your eyes is helping to prevent cataracts. What Dr. Edinger and other experts recommend. It is not the 3 mg melatonin for sleeping from what you get all the benefits. It must be high dosages of melatonin given as a transdermal plaster or as a suppository. Here is why. When we study any NIH papers, we did not see even one trial on rats or mice that were given 3 mg melatonin to test anything. In fact, astronomically high doses were given always to get the results obtained. Considering the body weight of a mouse and a 75 kg human when given 3 mg of melatonin, would result in 0.08 mg melatonin for a 2 kg mouse or rat. Nobody has ever done such an experiment because it would result in nonsense. They use high dosages to see results, like 5 mg per 1 kg body weight, which would result in 375 mg in a 75 kg person. The second reason why the 3 mg melatonin for sleeping will not do anything to achieve above goals is that only 2.5% of orally taken melatonin will arrive. The rest will be destroyed by the liver. Even if you would swallow 50 mg instead of 3 mg, just calculate 2.5% of 50 mg. To get results, you have to take it transdermally or as a suppository and in a dosage of 200 to 300 mg. This is what many experts in the field suggest. This is where the magic happens.